Sometimes I wanna get the world out my face. I tell them stay in your lane. I tell them stay in your place. If they don't. Sometimes I wanna get the world out my face. I tell them stay in your lane. I tell them stay in your place. If they don't, I smack them all.
I will.
I smack them all.
I will.
I smack them all.
I will.
I smack them all.
I got the whole world mad at me. Rappers trying to battle me, but talking shit'll get them without a battle league. I'm great in a way that these snakes can never rattle me. A cash cow with that style, you'll never cattle me. Act like a bitch and you're sure to get bitch smacked. And if we can't find you, then your bitch will get bitch smacked. You know that this shit's rap, they better respect it. Or it's breakfast time when I'm giving them his smacks. Check the background, was never a class clown. It's floor feeling raw when I'm laying a smack down. Talk smack and your squares get smacked round. Give them a cracked head, now you really on smack now. Yeah, I already attempted to stop, but I'ma just start smacking my way to the top. So you can try to come step in my way if you want. Looking at me like a punk, get you to smacking a monk.
Sometimes I wanna get the world out my face. I tell them stay in your lane. I tell them stay in your place. If they don't, I smack them all.
We will.
I smack them all.
We will.
I smack them
Chill.
all.
Let me smack these niggas around. Hey yo, Floor, where them niggas talking trash at? Heard a couple pussies that are ready for a catnap. Loose like a cannon, strapped like a backpack. Shooters guaranteed to make you duck, call it Aflac. Suzu, you ain't even half that. Just a bunch of squares looking at me like a lab rat. They just wanna test me, but they wanna dress me. Especially you snakes called Jakes, no wrestling. Respect me, or you get the backhand. If you talking trash, man, you're sleeping in a hefty. Throw him off a jet ski, you don't wanna tempt me. Don't make a good fella turn into Joe Pesci. You should have an SB, the way you run your yap off. Bring it front and center and I'll smack him like a backboard. Leave him with a cracked jaw, fucking with the wrong tech. That's the shit I don't like and what you get smacked for.
Sometimes I wanna get the world out my face. I tell them stay in your lane. I tell them stay in your place. If they don't, I smack them all.
We got fly.
I smack them all.
Slingo.
I smack them all. I smack them all.
After the smacks, a slap, kicking a punch. Brass knuckles to crack his fat lip on a chump. Then pack him in the trunk with the cinder block boots. A wise guy Zimmer, what you missed the plot too. The time is now when the ticking clock moves. You can lie in the ground with Big and Pac too. Violent it sounds, this shit ain't got proof. I'ma buy him around when I'm sending shots through. Drink up, spray the water and hold. Spitting teeth out, that's how a slaughter should go. But no, a lot of y'all imitate gimmicks. A copy of a copy behind the fake image. To talk shit online and it's a Brit at. I type in your URL, you'll get smit at. Let that be a lesson to all you. What the fuck else you expect from a brawler?
Sometimes I wanna get the world out my face. I tell them stay in your lane. I tell them stay in your place. If they don't, I smack them all. I smack them all. I smack them all. I smack them all.
One, two, you hear the clock ticking, tick tock. You about to stop living, tick tock. I want you to remember me, tick tock. But the dead don't have no memory. I'm coming. Nobody can stop me, nobody can hold me, nobody control me. I'm coming. I'm here to do my thing, I'm here to bring the pain. I'm never ever gonna change. I'm coming. Nobody can stop me, nobody can hold me, nobody control me. I'm coming. I'm here to do my thing, I'm here to bring the pain. I'm never ever gonna change. Like Tropicana, I got the juice. All for the least, they let the dog loose. Don't make me call up the crew. Now they getting scared, wanna call up a truce. I'm the one like Neo, cocky like T.O. Nobody could guard me like I'm shooting a free throw. This is illegal, my flow is legal. And it's me, it will never be a sequel. See, I'm fly like a pelican. And while I'm here, yeah, I'm gonna represent. If you're sick, then I'll be your medicine. And you already know who I'm better than. No doubt, yep, I'm a veteran. And when done, you gon' think you got ran over by elephants. Since I came, ain't been the same like ever since. And that talking, yeah, it better end. I'm coming! Nobody can stop me, nobody can hold me, nobody control me. I'm coming! I'm here to do my thing, I'm here to bring the pain, I'm never ever gonna change. I'm coming! Nobody can stop me, nobody can hold me, nobody control me. I'm coming! I'm here to do my thing, I'm here to bring the pain, I'm never ever gonna change. This is my world, my way, my life. And if I gotta do it, I gotta do it right. So everything I want, go ahead and give me that. If your girl with me, just know that you ain't getting it back. No, yeah, she want a bad boy, and I'm all about my cash, boy. She be all up in the jag, boy. I know that make you mad, boy, but don't make me beat your ass, boy. So don't go there. Your career's like a treadmill. You're running, but you